we just crossed Samar and we're going back to Leyte. Just that easy how to cross two islands in a matter of minute. Okay, so we just crossed two provinces actually. This is the other side of the bridge. As you can see, there's the far end of the San Juanico Bridge. And as I mentioned, this is the longest bridge in the country. I'm not sure how long this is, but I think it's something like 3 kilometers. More or less.
Hang out on the road, sabi ni Jean.
Hang out on the road.
Video tour naman dyan. Hang out on the road.
Later, I'll be posting the video. We forgot the signage. There should be a "We miss you, Jean" signage. Wish you were here. Okay, so there. So I think we need to call the helicopter. It's hot in here, man. There's another island. I'm not sure if this island is man-made.
It's a big turtle.
Yeah. And if you will look, pay attention here. There are some ripples and some vortices here. I think Godzilla is somewhere down there. Gojira. Okay.
Godzilla, the uncle of Mozilla.
Yeah. Okay. So there. So I think we need to head back to Leyte. We don't have a visa going to Samar. So we need to get back to Leyte. Okay.